Hi there, Dirk Peters here. In this section, we'll mainly go about game development. So everything you need to to do some modifications to a texture, configuration file, create your own models, or for example, make a model from 3D Studio Max, and then the complete process of how to put it, for example, in the farming simulator, Unreal Engine, Cry Engine, and then also start animating the full process. I'm going to try to do in this section. I hope to see you and that I can share my knowledge with you guys. And also, this is mainly also for our developer mothers, members of our Worldwide Gamer United group. I will see you in a next episode. Have a nice day. See you later.